Hi everyone, I'm Pratush and I'm an associate product designer here at Mark43. I'm based out of New York and have been here for almost a year and a half. I work on the CAD team, which is our computer-aided dispatch product, and is a product used by 911 dispatchers and first responders. So I'm going to be walking through what an average day may look like for a designer here at Mark43. And what I love is that no 2 days are the same for a product designer. Something we kind of strive for is communication and collaboration. Um, and we start our days with a team-wide Slack update where each designer shares what they'll be accomplishing for the day. Designers are responsible for the entire end-to-end experience of a feature. And at a time, we work on maybe 1 to 2 large project features that may span across 1 to 3 months, as well as smaller challenges such as fixing a bug on a login screen or adding new fields to a form, which may have a smaller timeline, perhaps a couple of weeks. And depending on where the project is in the product design lifecycle, a designer could be doing a ride along with a first responder for initial discovery research, or collaborating with PMs on FigJam to solidify key workflows, or maybe even performing A/B testing with users on a mobile feature. Throughout each stage of this process, the designer would have full support and would be collaborating with our research function, design system team, their manager, as well as other peers on a day-to-day basis. We also have alignment meetings with PMs and engineers, team syncs to discuss project overlaps with other designers, as well as weekly feedback meetings where designers can get feedback on their designs and iterate on them. Aside from that, throughout the week, we also have more fun and informal meetings as well. My personal favorite are the optional co-working blocks, where designers who are available can hop on a call and co-work together, asking any project-related questions or just chatting about fun weekend plans. And when working remotely, people can often feel isolated. So I think that this is a great way to get that informal face-to-face time with your peers. Um, we also have weekly design munches where we come together as a team and watch a video or a talk related to design. And at the end, discuss what we've learned from it and how we might implement a change in our processes. Now, outside of these optional meetings, designers at Mark43 also have the liberty to block off time on their calendars for focus time. And focus time gives us the opportunity to kind of settle in into a task, prevent any interruptions that may cause context switching, and overall, it just boosts productivity. So overall, as I mentioned, every day can be unique when you're a product designer at Mark43. It all kind of depends on what project you're working on and what phase that project is in. Though each day is different and can require different tools in our design toolbox, each one is interesting and plays a part in furthering our products, as well as our own personal and professional growth. So yeah, that's a quick insight into what an average day may look like for a product designer at Mark43.